几下？几下？好。This is 100 tons clay brick machine, automatic one. This is control box automatic. That one, it is very big, 100 tons. Then or cylinder, 100 tons. It very big. Hydraulic station. There also have one hydraulic station. There, that one. You can. This is new technology. This airbag, clamp, bags, bricks. Because pressure very big, so this smooth. Also need to make it stronger. You can see here, very strong. Here have one oil cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is watercolor, 2 mass, 1 mass. Cold water come in, another side, water come out. Hydraulic station. Oh, tubes, sensors, and here, this one. It have air and when bricks come out, you like this bricks. And here, this machine comes with air compressor.挡我了，快走！你正好挡着我，我靠！This one could let oil come into the hydraulic cylinder faster, so this machine produces faster than common block clay brick machine.